5 reasons why you keep falling for the wrong person. It is often said that people end up with the wrong choice of partners because we do not love those who love us. Well, while there may be some truth in this, I think it isn't entirely so. I do not think love has anything to do with it, rather the following factors are. 1. You do not know what you need. This is where a lot of people either get it right or wrong. Before making the decision to date or court someone, you must first define what you need, or who you need. What qualities must he/she have? You must have a standard or expectation, you need them to meet before they qualify as a partner for you. In the absence of this, you will accept anything and anyone that just comes your way, and when that happens, your chances of ending up with the wrong person are higher. It is always important to have a picture of your ideal man or woman, and you must never compromise that for anything/anyone. And if you noticed, I have used need in place of want because the former is more important than the latter. A need is something of great importance, while a want isn't nearly so. For instance, everyone wants a very good-looking person for a partner, but you find out that ultimately, that isn't what everyone needs. We all need someone who knows how to respect and treat us right. There's a difference. The moment you define who/what you need in your life or relationship, ending up with the right person becomes far easier. 2. You never assess your options. Most people just fall for any Romeo and Juliet that comes their way without taking their time to access them. Why the haste? There are a lot of people who just want to sleep with you and run away, and you'll fall a victim to them unless you take your time to study them, and know them before taking a leap. Be friends with them for a while first, before you take it further. That will give you the opportunity of knowing them and assessing their qualities to know if they are in line with what you need in your life. 3. Infatuation. There's a big difference between infatuation and the real feeling. Infatuation always seems like love, and then along the line, it all fades away. A lot of people mistake infatuation for love, so they end up with the wrong person in their lives. Love is enduring and unconditional, infatuation isn't. If you notice that you want to be with someone for a reason, perhaps it's not love, but infatuation. It is dangerous and can lead to heartbreak. 4. You're in the wrong company. Show me your friends, and I'll show you who you are, isn't that how they say it? If you keep bad company or the kind of friends you follow are such that attract the wrong crowd, then there's a great possibility of you attracting the wrong crowd as well. It's that simple.